In this video, I will show you how to create community posts in your YouTube channel. Let me show you how. Open up your YouTube app. And the next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on your profile icon. The next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on your YouTube channel. Click on community right here. So here you go. Next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on create a post. So at this point here, go ahead and write whatever you want to post to your channel community. So I'm going to click on here now. What type of video do you want me to make? It's like so. When you are done with whatever you want to type, you can as well add a poll or add image or check mark to your post in your YouTube channel. You can also check on the visibility. You can click on here. This allows you to choose visibility for your post. You can post to all public, or better still, only channel member. That is for visibility. Go ahead and click on done. Lastly, simply hit on post right here. Click on post and boom, you have your post being sent to the community right here. You can click on view right here. So once you click on that, this allows you to see your post in your community just like so. It's that simple. For more useful tutorial tips and tricks like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.